Hey guys, Poco is a sub-brand of Xiaomi which was unveiled in the year 2018. The brand had launched its debut phone Poco F1 in August 2018. As of now, specs of apparent successor of Poco F1 are not known, but it is assumed that whenever it is launched, it will be called Poco F2. Now we all know that Poco F1 or globally Pocophone F1 was a huge success, but still we have not heard anything about its successor. For a brief period, we thought that Redmi K30 Pro might launch as Poco F2, but that didn't happen. Recently, global head of Poco has hinted that Poco F1's successor will arrive sometime next year. In a tweet which has now been deleted, Pocophone Global head Alvin had tweeted that you will hear more from Poco in 2020. That's a great news for all the users who were waiting for Poco F2. So let's talk about Poco F2. But before that, if you're watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press that bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to Poco F2. So with that, I'm Raj and now let's get in. So this tweet does not confirm much about Poco F2, but at least now we know for sure that we will get to see a successor to the Poco F1. As of now, nothing is officially confirmed about the specifications of Poco F2, but now we can speculate a few. First of all, Poco F2 will not have any kind of notch. It will also not have any type of pop-up mechanism. Instead, Xiaomi will use a punch hole display panel just like they did in Redmi K30. So the punch hole could be at the corner or it could be in the top center just like the Galaxy Note 10. That way it will look more symmetrical. It could be an LCD panel in order to keep the cost low. The design will be much refined than Poco F1. We will get glass design here with beautiful gradient colors. Poco F2 will retain a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is nice. As it will launch next year, that's why we could get flagship chipset in Poco F2. As Poco F1 was all about speed, Poco F2 will also focus on speed and performance. So we could get Snapdragon 865 in Poco F2. On the rear, it could have a triple or a quad camera setup as it has become pretty common in today's smartphone. We could get a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor as a main sensor. Poco F2 will be quite powerful in the battery department as well. We will get up to 30 watt fast charging support in Poco F2. Let's hope that Poco F2 will be as competitive as Poco F1 in terms of price to performance ratio. So that's pretty much all for now about Poco F2. With that, we are at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.